Welcome to Global World Watch. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. The skies over Southeast Asia are growing more contested, and for the Philippines, protecting its airspace is critical. A new fighter jet from South Korea, the KF-21 Boramae, has caught Manila's attention as a leap in technology and capability. The Philippines already operates the FA-50, a Korean-made light combat aircraft, and this positive experience has built trust in Korean defense technology. The KF-21 is seen as the logical next step, a more powerful, advanced sibling to the FA-50. With rising tensions in the West Philippine Sea, the need for a credible deterrent is urgent, and the KF-21 offers advanced features at a lower cost than true stealth fighters. Its blend of stealth, sensors, and weapons makes it attractive for a country with a limited defense budget. The KF-21 fits into Manila's broader military modernization, aiming to protect territory and maritime interests. More than just a weapon, it symbolizes the Philippines' commitment to serious national defense. Choosing the Boramae signals to the region that the Philippines is ready to defend its borders and be a reliable security partner. The KF-21 Boramae stands out for its cutting-edge technology. Its AESA radar tracks multiple targets with speed and precision, giving pilots a crucial edge in situational awareness. The jet's design incorporates stealth features, making it harder to detect and track than older fighters. Future versions will include internal weapons bays, further enhancing survivability. The KF-21 can carry a mix of European and American missiles, including the long-range Meteor, and a variety of precision-guided bombs. This versatility allows the Philippine Air Force to use the same aircraft for air defense, maritime patrol, and strike missions. Inside, pilots benefit from a large area display and an IRST system, which detects enemy aircraft by heat signature without radar. These features reduce pilot workload and boost combat effectiveness even when outnumbered. For the Philippines, the KF-21 offers a leap in capability and flexibility for a modern air force. The Philippines and South Korea share a strong, growing defense partnership. This began with the successful acquisition and operation of the FA-50PH, giving Filipino pilots valuable experience with modern jets. Beyond aircraft, the partnership includes training, maintenance, and logistical support, making South Korea a trusted supplier. This deep cooperation would ease the transition to the more advanced KF-21. The relationship extends to the Navy, with South Korean-built ships now forming the backbone of the Philippine fleet. Seoul's track record across air and naval domains strengthens its position as a dependable defense partner. Both nations are U.S. treaty allies facing complex security challenges, and their collaboration enhances regional stability. The potential KF-21 sale would mark a new chapter in this strategic alignment. For Manila, buying Korean means more than hardware. It's a long-term partnership for security and growth. For an archipelago like the Philippines, air control is vital. The KF-21's range and endurance allow it to patrol the country's vast EEZ, including the contested West Philippine Sea. Its advanced radar and long-range missiles create a formidable air defense shield, deterring potential aggressors. The jet's multi-role capability means it can strike enemy ships with modern anti-ship missiles, boosting maritime deterrence. This air cover enhances the Navy's effectiveness and survivability. The KF-21 sensors also make it a valuable intelligence and surveillance asset, monitoring both military and illegal activities at sea. It provides critical data for informed decision-making at the highest levels. The KF-21 is more than a fighter. It's a flying information hub and a force multiplier for Philippine defense. The biggest challenge for the Philippines is the cost of acquiring and operating the KF-21. Beyond the purchase price, expenses include spare parts, ground support, new infrastructure, and a modern weapons inventory. Funding such a project is a major political and economic hurdle for a country with a limited defense budget. Training is another challenge. Pilots, mechanics, and technicians must master a far more complex aircraft than the FA-50. This transition requires years of investment in human capital. The KF-21 also demands upgraded air bases, longer runways, and secure facilities for sensitive equipment. Infrastructure modernization adds further complexity and cost. Integrating the KF-21 into the wider armed forces is essential. It must communicate seamlessly with Navy, Army, and command centers. Building a robust, secure data link network is a technical challenge, but vital for full operational potential. Without total force integration, the jet's value as a strategic asset is diminished. Success depends on funding, training, infrastructure, and seamless integration across the military. The KF-21 faces competition from the American F-16 Viper and the Swedish JS-39 Gripen. The F-16 is combat-proven and comes with strong US ties, but it's an older design with limited future growth. The Gripen is known for low operating costs and the ability to use short runways, plus attractive technology transfer offers. However, its single engine may limit range and payload compared to the twin-engine KF-21. The KF-21's main advantage is its new design, built for future upgrades in stealth, sensors, and weapons. It offers a long service life and a clear upgrade path toward fifth-generation capabilities. The existing defense relationship with South Korea and commonality with the FA-50 fleet strengthen its case. Ultimately, the choice balances capability, cost, and strategic alignment. The KF-21 represents a forward-looking investment and a deepening partnership with a key regional ally. It's a leap into the future for the Philippine Air Force. Acquiring the KF-21 would shift the Philippines' position in the Indo Pacific. It would close the capability gap with regional powers and provide a credible deterrent against aggression. China would see a KF-21 fleet as a challenge to its ambitions in the South China Sea. Armed with anti-ship missiles, the KF-21 could threaten Chinese vessels far from shore, forcing Beijing to be more cautious. The move would also strengthen alliances, especially with the US, enhancing joint operations and regional security. Partners like Japan and Australia would welcome a stronger Philippines as part of a networked security architecture. The KF-21 is not a magic solution, but its impact depends on integration, pilot skill, and sound strategy. As a symbol and practical tool, it would reshape regional perceptions and power dynamics. The KF-21 marks the Philippines' arrival as a serious middle power in the region. Success with the KF-21 requires more than just new jets. It demands a whole ecosystem. Building a sensor-to-shooter network links the KF-21 sensors with naval ships, coastal radars, and drones for real-time response. Joint training with the Navy and Army is essential, ensuring seamless cooperation in real-world scenarios. This teamwork transforms the armed forces into a cohesive, effective machine. The KF-21 could also spur growth in the domestic defense industry, creating high-tech jobs and local expertise. Technology transfer from South Korea could allow Filipino companies to produce components and support equipment. This boosts economic benefits and self-reliance in defense. The KF-21 is one piece of a larger modernization puzzle, relying on integration with Navy, Army, and command systems. Its true value lies in transforming the entire military into a more capable, unified force. The KF-21 Boramae represents a pivotal moment for Philippine defense. Its advanced technology and affordability make it a compelling choice for modernizing the Air Force. The path is challenging, requiring funding, training, and infrastructure, but the payoff is a stronger, more credible deterrent. Choosing the KF-21 is a strategic bet on a new platform and a deepening partnership with South Korea. Its acquisition would strengthen alliances and force adversaries to recalculate. The KF-21 is more than a jet, it's a symbol of ambition and resolve, shaping Philippine defense for decades. It signals the Philippines' readiness to secure its future and play a larger role in regional stability.